Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by verifying capability. Make sure your phone and SIM are 5G capable and the carrier permits Vonr. Once confirmed, back up your current network and IMS settings so you can revert if needed. Next, access the phone's advanced or developer network menus. Some vendors hide the Vonr toggle in testing screens. You're doing this to replace the Volte registration path with native 5G calling. Make sure you have network logs or screenshots as you proceed. Now you change the IMS/SIP profile entries, locate service class or service type fields, and replace Volte identifiers with the carrier's Vonr tag, often labeled 5GIMS or NRIMS. Then update the APN and preferred network to prioritize 5G or set to 5G first to encourage NR registration. Once those edits are saved, restart the device radios by toggling airplane mode and rebooting. This forces a fresh IMS registration. To finish, place a test call and verify IMS shows a 5G/NR registration. Many diagnostics apps reveal the active service as Vonr. If calls drop or fall back to Volte, revert to your saved settings, then reapply one change at a time to isolate the problem. Make sure to capture network logs and RIL dumps before contacting carrier support, because they need those traces. If you see persistent fallback, check SIM provisioning and carrier-side Vonr enablement. Often the issue is server-side, not the phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.